Do you know what today is?
Today is December 11th.
December 11th? Close.
Excuse me, December 10th. I just had the
Less close.
biggest win.
You had the biggest what?
Win.
Win?
Win. W-I-N.
On December 13th, 2024, an airport wellness check turned into an arrest after the officers checking on her couldn't get her to name the day. She told them it was December 11th. It wasn't. She tried again. Still wrong. What she was sure of was this: she'd just won a 4-year court case. W-I-N, win. The call that brought police wasn't a crime in progress. It was a wellness check. Someone had watched her stumble, then pass out.
Hello?
Just passed out a minute ago. Just.
Ma'am? Hello? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Hey, what's going on?
Yeah. Yeah, and I sat down.
Can you take your hat? Hey, what's going on?
So you started walking down. She was
Yeah.
stumbling and all
Yeah,
that.
and I
Okay.
sat down because I
Can
wanted
you
to
take
make
your
sure
hat
she
off
was
for me?
okay. And so she is passed out. She's not causing trouble.
Can I see
She
this?
just had so much to drink.
Okay.
I'm
Thank you.
off.
We appreciate it.
What's going on?
I'm waiting
You waiting for somebody?
for my flight.
For your flight? Are you flying with anybody else today?
No.
No? No? No medication?
Nope.
Have you had any alcohol tonight?
Nope.
No alcohol?
No.
No? No. Do you know what today is?
Today is December 11th.
December 11th? Close.
Excuse me, December 10th. I just had the
Less close.
biggest
You had the biggest what?
win.
Win?
Win. W-I-N.
What'd you win?
The court case that I'm fighting.
You got a court case you're fighting? Yeah? You celebrating?
No.
No?
It's not
Okay.
celebrating.
What time's the
It's
flight?
not fucking-
What time's the flight?
6:50.
Right. So I'm completely capable of doing that.
Huh?
I'm completely capable of doing that.
Yeah, okay. Can we walk over here for a second?
Yeah.
Your stuff?
For what reason?
Huh?
For what reason?
Because I need to make sure that you're okay and
I'm
because I need to make sure that you're okay and you're talking really
yeah.
slowly and you having a medical
Yeah.
emergency right now?
No.
No, you don't need paramedics?
Fuck no.
No? Okay. Well, something.
I can't even believe that this transpired today.
Well, you were
I
passed.
cannot believe that this transpired.
People were worried about you, so
Yeah,
they
you
called
were
us.
passed out when we found you. So let me ask you again. Have you?
I've been fighting this for 4 fucking years.
I'm sorry to hear that, but listen, I'm just trying to make sure you're okay. Okay.
Please,
So that's
spare me.
okay. Just answer my questions for me, okay? Then. Have you had any alcohol tonight? Have you had any alcohol tonight?
That is not relevant.
It is. I'm just trying to make sure you're okay. Okay. So if you can tell me so I can gauge where you're at, so I can leave you alone and make sure you're okay. So something's obviously wrong. Okay. But I just need to make sure. Is it because of alcohol?
Do you understand what has transpired in my life today?
What? You can explain.
What has transpired in the past 4 years of my life, and what happened today?
Okay. What happened today?
I won.
You won? Okay.
Do you want me to tell you? Do you want me to show you? I was recording this. I'm sorry.
I don't think you realized you were recording. Can you?
You're damn right I'm recording this. Because who the fuck are you?
I'm Officer
Cop?
Hill. Yeah, we're the
I'm
cops.
sorry.
It's okay.
I'm not sorry.
Can you stand up for me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Hey,
dude.
can we walk right over here?
For what reason?
I just want to make sure you can walk fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Hey,
dude.
can we walk right over here?
For what reason?
I just want to make sure you can walk fine.
Absolutely.
Yep.
Okay, so what's going to happen is we're going to place you under arrest for public intoxication, but you got to stop. Don't tense up.
Resist.
Don't tense up.
Come on,
Don't sit
stand
down.
up. We're not going to do that. We're not doing that at all.
Everything's going to be okay. It's a ticket. That's all it is. Don't do that, okay? Everything's going to be okay. It's a ticket. That's all it is. It's a Class C misdemeanor.
It's not, though.
It is.
It's not.
That's all it is. That's all it is.
It's
but you gotta,
not.
If you make it into something worse, then it's not. You're right. We don't want to do that, okay? It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. But
not.
If you fight us, it's gonna be a lot worse, okay?
I'm not fighting you.
Thank you. I
Trust
appreciate
me,
that.
I'm not fighting you.
Then relax.
Trust me,
okay?
I'm not fighting you. But look over
Alright,
there.
So we got one customer. Yeah. I'm sorry. We'll get your stuff. We're gonna get it. Okay. Everything's gonna be okay. Okay.
No, this is so much more sinister than
That's all I got.
Yeah, good luck.
Okay.
That's not gonna work. Hold on.
You're right
Hey,
ahead.
relax. Relax.
Stop.
You're a fucking
almost
idiot.
too
You're a
full.
fucking idiot.
Okay, we're gonna walk this way.
No, where is my...
It's good. Look, it's coming. It's coming right there. It's all coming.
We got your phone. We got your bag, Andrew.
This is so much more...
So what?
In this state, being intoxicated in public isn't automatically an arrest. It becomes one under 3 conditions: a public place, observable intoxication, and danger to yourself or someone else. Officers had all 3 slowed speech, stumbling, and a bystander who just watched her lose consciousness. The Fourth Amendment bars unreasonable searches and seizures. But under United States v. Watson, 1976 police can arrest in public without a warrant if probable cause already exists. She denied drinking, denied medication, denied even needing help. None of that mattered. Because under Terry v. Ohio, 1968, officers don't need a confession to detain someone. They need observations, and they had plenty. She had one more thing to add before the handcuffs came out. It's a ticket, the officer told her, a Class C misdemeanor. Pay the fine, sleep it off, go home. She didn't hear a ticket, she heard something else entirely. The cuffs went on anyway. Force stayed minimal throughout what use of force reports call soft, empty hand control.
Where do I go to?
DFW Airport Jail.
Okay.
So what happens is you're gonna sleep it off, all right? When you blow
No.
double zeros,
No, you don't understand what I
okay.
deal with in my life. But yes, please tell me what exact location
I've got the keys. Where else keys at?
On the wall inside.
Thank you. Ready?
So I'm gonna search real quick.
Which one of
You got
you? Go
anything?
ahead.
Okay. You got anything on you focus it
Didn't
that
you
hurt
do
me?
it? Didn't you do it?
No, I didn't.
Oh my God! Do not take the keys to my home.
Ma'am, nothing's being taken from you.
We trace
We have to search everything before we. What do you say? Oh, is that, sorry. You want to watch it?
You're damn right.
Well, go ahead.
Then go.
No still.
Go right ahead. You can search all of my shit.
Okay.
Fucking asshole. Where are the keys to my fucking house?
Yeah. Look,
Right.
look, they're going
Why are
in
you-
your.
Why are you putting them back in the place that they were not?
Because you can't take them. Because you can't take them with you in jail.
All right, come on.
Come on.
No, I want them put back in my pocket. No, I want them put back in my pocket.
They're not going in your
That's not
pockets.
going to happen.
Get in.
I will,
Thank you.
guys.
Sit down. Stop trying to slip
No,
this
I
off.
will. I will have them in front of you.
Sounds good.
Google.
Every Apple product on the man.
Seven 708. I'm about to pull in. Where do you need me?
She said she was alone, right? No wallet?
I feel like she probably left her stuff somewhere.
Oh, right here. It's inside.
Oh.
What are you doing? Okay. Rachel, what are you doing?
Oh, wait.
Put your feet down.
I'm right here.
Put your feet down.
Got it.
Okay. All right. We're gonna get out.
Get out.
What do you got going on here?
Nothing.
Sit up.
Actual.
Come on.
Why are you hurting my hair?
What are you doing? Sit up.
Whoa,
Sit up.
whoa,
Sit up.
whoa.
Get up. All right, come on.
Yes, I will.
No. We're not putting them in the front. You're getting out. Get up.
Okay, well, you need to move my hands, please.
Come on.
Thank you. Thank you.
I can't get it all, but you come on.
No, that's close.
All right, come on.
I can do it.
Come on. All right, let's go.
Do I go in the front or
They say in the back, but you gotta get out.
Says who?
Step out.
Okay. I have to.
No. Come on.
I can't do them in the back.
Stand up.
It's gonna hurt, dude. It's gonna hurt.
No, we're not putting them in the back.
It's gonna hurt.
Come on. Let's go. What are we doing?
I can't do it, dude. I can't.
No, get up.
No, then
Get
take
up.
that shit off because it's
Rachel.
No.
Rachel, stop.
No.
Stop.
No.
I don't want to hurt you.
I don't want to hurt myself
just come on.
either.
We're not putting them in
But
the
what
front.
I'm saying to you is it's going to hurt me.
We're not putting them in the front. You're going to take them off once we get inside.
Then take them off.
We will take them off in a minute.
Take them off.
Let's go.
Then take them off. Please. Please take them off. See? It's not that hard.
All right, stand up.
I will not. 100%. Yes.
It's the wall. We're gonna search you here, okay?
At the station, the fight moved to her shoes. She refused to take them off, citing the Constitution. There's a problem with that argument. It doesn't mention footwear. Under Bell versus Wolfish, 1979, booking procedures like this are constitutional as long as they serve a real safety or security purpose. Removing shoes at intake does. She also refused every alcohol question outright. That part she got right. The Fifth Amendment protects silence. And under Miranda versus Arizona 1966, once someone is in custody, officers need to read their rights before asking questions tied to the arrest. There's a narrow exception. Pennsylvania versus Muniz 1990. Name, address, date of birth. Nothing more. Asking about alcohol after arrest goes past that line. No Miranda warning is audible anywhere in this footage.
Yeah, dude. Fuck you, disgusting. How am I being held here?
You've been arrested for public intoxication.
Okay. So what am I being charged with something?
Public intoxication.
Okay. When do I see a magistrate?
In the morning.
And you're saying that I will see them or I won't see them?
That depends on you. You can pay your fine and leave when you
I will pay it right now.
when you sober up.
I will pay it right now. So am I being held against my will?
No,
I
ma'am.
will. If you want me to give you my belt,
Everybody that gets arrested is
you
being
have
held against their will.
you do not have the federal right to hold me against my will. Sir, go for it. Go for
Take it
it.
off of me.
You can do it.
No, go ahead, take it
You
off.
can do it.
I don't know how to take it off.
I don't either. I am being held against my will
You take off your bracelets.
without any, what is the reason?
Let's get your bracelets and your rings.
Go. Go right ahead, sir.
Let me see.
I am being held against my will, correct?
To pay the fine or until you see a
What
judge.
is the timeline?
That depends on you. I have no idea.
Is that 2 hours or is that 10 hours?
I can tell you right now, it's gonna be more than 10 hours because of your level of intoxication.
What size shoe you wear, ma'am?
Can you provide me water?
Let me get your shoes and your socks if you have any
No,
socks.
I'm not giving you my fucking shoes. You've lost your fucking mind. If you think I'm going to give you my shoes.
You will get them back when you leave,
No,
and you can put this on.
absolutely not.
Well, we have to take them off.
No, you don't.
It's
You
policy.
actually don't. You actually don't.
Yeah, we do.
No, you don't.
Okay, come on, take them off.
No,
We have to.
no.
We have to.
You actually don't. And constitutionally, you do not.
Nothing in the Constitution states anything about your shoes.
It is a part of my being.
You will put this on temporary, okay?
Fuck you.
Okay, well, we need to take them off.
No. That is a part of what you're trying to make my being, and this is a part of my actual being.
Okay, we got it. Let's take
All
them
right,
off.
you need to.
Wait, what? No, 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 no! Is this being, why didn't you make this recorded?
Yeah, I'm recording right now.
You're recording right now?
Yep.
You're recording right now, and you're part of this.
Are you guys take off?
Hill. She has property. What's up? I'm sorry. She had a lot of electronics in here.
Second.
She had a lot of electronics in here and cigarettes and a lighter or two at the bottom.
December 13th, 2024, the date.
She also asked when she'd see a magistrate. Officers said the morning. Under County of Riverside versus McLaughlin, 1991, a judge must review probable cause within 48 hours of a warrantless arrest. Her bag keys and phone weren't just taken, they were inventoried. Under Illinois versus Lafayette, 1983, a full property inventory at booking needs no separate probable cause. It protects both sides later. She was booked for public intoxication. In this state, that charge alone means a fine and a hold until she sobers up. The officers get a B-. The arrest holds up probable cause came from what they saw, not what she said. But skipping Miranda after the cuffs went on is a real gap. She gets a C+. Asserting her right to silence on the alcohol question was correct. Answering the date question wasn't. That single answer became the strongest evidence against her. The lesson here is simple. Know which questions you can refuse and refuse all of them. Fighting booking procedure with a legal argument that doesn't exist only adds hours, not options. If you want more bodycam breakdowns, the moments people didn't expect to end up on camera, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.